Just want to see. All right. Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. Today, this is day number 6 in our 30-day knife challenge. And I wanted to bring you guys something that I kind of gave a bad rap when I first got it. This is the SOG Fielder. Let me show you guys this knife and the wood grain handles. And like I have like I've previously done, this knife is currently not made anymore, at least with the wooden handles. Let me see if I can show you guys this. Look at that beautiful wood handles. Oh, just looks so professional and nice. So what I wanted to talk to you guys, and like maybe how I had given this a bad rap, is I said this wasn't a good skinning knife because I was comparing it to, let's say, a knife that was full tang, that didn't have any like any way for any gut or blood or guts or anything to get back in here. After using this knife is perfectly capable, and let me show you how. So with a skinning or caping knife, you see this top part here, and I know it's kind of hard to see in the dark, but this gets a good purchase, or basically you can get a really good grip with your thumb, and you can really choke up on that knife and do what you need to do with it when it comes to getting in and just really getting it. Plus, the back end of this is curved, okay? So, yes, it's a flat top part, but it's not sharp, which in bushcraft knives, the top part is sharp, and you want that so you can strike a ferro rod. This is not that knife. You're not going to be able to. This isn't a survival knife. This is a very gentleman's looking knife that is made to skin game. So I really do like this. So here's how. Let's go through some specs of this. This is my SOG Special Operations Gear is how they do their name. It is a liner lock as well. So the liner comes out and locks. You can see kind of how that works. It's a double liner lock, so it's lined on this side and this side. It is it's not like a flipper, so you can't flip it out. It's made to open one hand, so it's got a little stud here, and you can just easily do it. You don't want to fling it out because you will probably slip and catch your thumb on that. It is, like I've said in so many things, it is a straight blade. This is what you want in a knife because you can just do so much with it. I'm just not a huge fan of serrated blades. This is, I think, C17 MOV or CR17 MOV. It's a stainless steel. I'm not a huge fan of stainless steels, but this is not a bad one. This is absolutely stupid sharp. Not too bad to resharpen. It's probably stainless steel because you're going to be out in the field. You're going to be getting this wet, and this is kind of easy to maintain and to keep sharp and to keep rust free. So that's probably why it's that. It's got a pocket clip right here, and it sits really nice and deep in the pocket, which is really cool. You'll see some pocket clips, they'll start here. This one makes that loop and goes way down, so it sits super deep in your pocket, which if you're running around in the woods, that's not a bad thing to have. You want something sitting way deep because you get going, you're not thinking, and man, you will just absolutely lose whatever you've got in the woods. So guys, SOG Fielder, you can get these in G10 handle scales. If you have watched my Kershaw Skyline video, you have seen that the black G10, it's a really great grip, and that's probably why they moved from these hardwood scales to that G10 scales. So you can still get these in G10. I do recommend it. It's a really nice knife. I'll probably, I love the wood look. I haven't seen the G10 in person. I can't give you a recommendation on that. But I really do like this knife. It's a great little skinning knife, great little folder. So the SOG Fielder. Stay with me. We'll see what day 7 is on the 30-day knife challenge.